Hey, in this video, I will show you how to DM someone on TikTok. It's actually a very simple tutorial that works the same way on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe, we just hit 20K, 12K. I mean, subscribe so we can get to 20K. And if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would really appreciate it. So what you want to do is obviously go on TikTok and search for any account or just find someone from the people I'm following, for example, Grant Cardone. And to DM him, you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on send message. Some accounts don't allow you to message them. For example, Grant Cardone says messages cannot be sent since the user isn't following you, but I can still message the person, but the message won't be sent. So I gotta ask the person to follow me. Obviously, Grant Cardone is probably not going to follow me yet. If this video helped you out, give me a like and I want to see you next one.